project from quantitative methods and simulation. Here, this is a Python program that is intended to determine if a matrix is stochastic, if it is regular, and if it is the case to obtain its steady states with its minimum numbers of steps. Here we have the options to create our own square matrix or to generate a random matrix. Um, the program is already running, so I want to check this with you. The first one is creating the matrix. So here we go. First, we are asked to enter the size of our matrix. This one is going to be of 2. So we have to manually insert all the values from this matrix that we want to check. The values must be between 1 and 0 because it's probability what we are checking. So let's see. And we have printed our matrix, and we know for the program that it is regular. It provides us our steady states and the minimum steps required to obtain this one. So I'm going to enter the same numbers. Here we are like multiplying the probability to obtain what we get. So at the end, just as the same as with the steady state, we can have it if we have the minimum steps required. And for the other one, which is the random matrix, we have the same steps, except that we don't have like the options if we have any error, as we have created to always have a stochastic matrix. Here we have this one. We can run it again to check that it's not the same. It's different every time. Okay, it is different. We have steady state as it is regular. So we check the minimum steps required here, and we get it. Here we have like the part where we start our program. We have the menu, their options. It is like the only thing that changes between one option and the other. So for the other steps, we have the same thing. We check if it is regular. We find the steady state if it is regular. In other, we only have like it is not a regular matrix, and we have the option to work with the number of steps that we want. For here, we have the list of functions we use, the create matrix for our own type of matrix. We need to trunk the matrix so we don't have like a large number of decimals here. We trunk it to 6. It is also the same thing for the vector for getting the steady state. The probability state, we multiply the matrix for the number of steps that we want. We check if it is regular, so this is a Boolean. This is like a process that we ask the user to repeat the actions until we get the matrix that we need for this activity to run. And here is like the function for our creation of random stochastic matrices. So if you have any questions, just please